Hello friends and potential friends. Yep, I've been noticing the birds starting to pay attention to the beauty berries out here. So I figured I'd better get out here and get some myself before the birds get all of them. So I'm going to get picking. Oh, that's not bad. A few of them in here aren't ripe yet, but it's all off of one plant. Looking pretty good. I've got more plants to go look at too. Okay, this one at least is in the shade. I may need a bigger bucket. Yep, I'm definitely going to need a bigger bucket. I haven't even made a dent in this bush yet. Okay, back at it with an empty cup. Okay, I guess that's about enough off of that bush. Left plenty for the birds. Now I got me plenty. On to the next one. Yeah, there's a little one hiding in there. I'll get a few off of it. Yeah, that one's in the shade. Whole bush isn't more than 2 feet tall. And now we're over in my junk heap. Okay, time to empty the bowl. Okay, there's another batch. More still in here. And finally we have one more back here behind the squash and moringas and sugar cane. I think that's enough. Filled it up again. I don't feel like getting a ladder out. Besides, there's some of those vines in there have got thorns on them. You may have seen the blood. But that's going to be it. And just show the results. Quite a collection there. A little bit of scale. There's a gallon orange jug. Well, there's probably at least a gallon of berries there. Let's see what I can turn them into.